Good morning. So we started a Venn diagram. In last concept we discussed about A union B. Now we are going to learn about A intersection B Venn diagram. And later we can find A minus B also. First I am going to take now Venn diagram A intersection B. A intersection B. We know very well, intersection means the common elements we have to take from both the sets. The same way this is how to represent in Venn diagram. First, if you want to draw the Venn diagram, we have to take a rectangular box. This is represented by mu or u also. Why? Because it is a universal set. From this set, we have to take A and next set is B. We know very well, intersection means common elements. We have to take common elements. So which is the common portion from these two sides we have to take now. Just you take A is horizontal and B you take vertical. Let's look at the board. Here, this is set A, this is set B. In these two sets, where these two sets overlap each other, there we have some common part. Means, where the lines, horizontal lines and vertical lines together we have, that is the common part. Means, simply you can take this in this way. A, B, our concept is A intersection B. So, which is the common part? That is our answer. This is A intersection B. Means the common part of the both sets is intersection. We know the definition. A intersection B means the element which is repeated in both sides we have to take. Here in these two sides, I have taken here horizontal line, vertical line, and I have taken common part. The same I have taken here, just this is A and this is B, where these two sides intersect are overlapping each other, that part only I have shown you. So this is A intersection B. If you want any example for this, just I am taking one example with a set. We can take a set. A is equal set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I have taken. And B is equal, I am taking one more set, that is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 I have taken. A and B are the two sides. These two sides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the elements of A, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are the elements of B. This how to represent in Venn diagram we are going to learn now. This is a universal set, so we can represent with mu or with capital U also. Now A, this is set A. This is set B. Our concept is A intersection B. Intersection means common elements from the both sides. Which are the common elements here? 3 is there, 4 is there, and 5 is there. These common elements which are common in both sets, first you represent a common part of this sets. Here you can take 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Now, in A, remaining elements are 1 and 2. So you can take here 1, 2. In set B, the remaining elements are 6 and 7. 6 and 7. Now, A intersection B means which elements are in this common part, those elements only we have to take. That is A intersection B. So you can write here A intersection B is equal set of 3, 4, 5. Understood, children? Here one more time look here. Our concept is Venn diagrams, and here we have taken now A intersection B. A intersection B means set of A, set of B. Two sets we can represent with two circles, and this is a universal set. We represented by mu. Here intersection means we have taken the common elements. So I have taken here parallel lines means horizontal lines. Here I have taken vertical lines, and the common part means where the vertical and horizontal lines were intersect. That is our answer. Means where the horizontal lines, which portion is represented with horizontal and vertical lines, that is our answer. From this concept, our answer is A intersection B is equal this. Means which is represented by vertical and horizontal lines, that is this portion. So this we can take for the plane figure also. I have taken here, and the same concept I have taken with example. That is A is equal, I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B is equal, I have taken 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then A intersection B we have to represent in Venn diagram. So first of all you go for the one rectangle, and that is a universal set. And from the set you take here set A and set B. Set A is you can take one circle, set B next circle. Set A means all the elements which are in set A we have to take. In A what is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. Here also see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. All the elements of A we got here. Now take B. B 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is there. In B also what are the elements now? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But here 3, 4, 5 are the repeated elements in both sets. So we can take A intersection B is equal to set of 3, 4, 5. This is the intersection of two sets through Venn diagram. Now we can go for another concept, that is one more Venn diagram, A minus B. A minus B, we can take A minus B. Means A and B are the two sets, and we have to take A minus B to the Venn diagram. A minus B. A and B are the two sets. We have to take A minus B. So how to represent the minus? Minus means we learned in the previous concept where the elements of B are repeated in set A. We have to remove those elements, and remaining elements we have to write. That is A minus B. In the same way, now we are going to learn how to represent A minus B in Venn diagram. First, we have to take universal set, that is represented by mu r capital U. Just I am taking here capital U. First diagram what we have taken mu there. Means we can represent with a U, capital U or mu. It indicates universal set. Next one is A minus B Venn diagram we are drawing. You take set A. This is A. Next you take set B. Got it? Now we know very well. A minus B means difference of two sets we are taking here. in set B, which are the elements are represented in A, we have to avoid those elements. So for this, how to draw the Venn diagram means we are taking completely set A, but which is the repeated element in B, we are avoiding those elements. Means look here, now A minus B I am taking, this is A minus B. Once observe here, I am not going to extend this line complete set A, just till where the B set is overlapping the set A, just I am taking that is a border. That means I am not going to extend this line till the end of A. That means the path which is not represented by B, I am not taking here. Just I am taking A. But in this set, see, completely set B we avoided that. So this is A minus B. For the same information, if you want to take one example for this, we'll go for one example. A and B are the two elements, two sets. We can take any elements, not only numbers, we can take variables also, or we can take any names, or you can take any places names, anything you can take. Now A and B, A minus B. Now example we can take one set A. A is I am taking here some elements A, B, C, D, E, F. I have taken. B also you can take some more elements. B also you can take some more elements. So shall we start from C? C, D, E, F, G, H I have taken. Now this information we have to represent a Venn diagram. So how to represent this information in Venn diagram, and what is A minus B we have to find. A minus B. Now this is a universal set. You can represent with a mu or capital U. You may sometimes you will get this question, sir. Universal set will be represented by U or mu. So I am giving here both symbols to you. Don't confuse. In first class we have taken here mu only. Now I am writing here U. It indicates a universal set. Now what we have to learn? We are going to learn about A minus B Venn diagram. With the picture I have shown here, but the same problem we have to solve with the elements or numbers in the Venn diagram. So we can take that is A minus B Venn diagram. We are taking with elements. Just here we draw the element. Here we are taking with elements. So here we can take one set A. Next one you can take set B. This is A and this is set B. Two sets are there. In these two sets, first of all, which are the common elements you find out first? Here, which are the common? C repeated, D repeated, E repeated, F also repeated. That means C, D, E, F are the common repeated elements in two sets. So these repeated elements you mentioned here, where these two diagrams or two sets overlap each other, that is C, D, E, F. In set A, remaining elements what are there? A and B. Only A and B is there. A and B. Once look at the board. A means what we have taken? A, B, C, D, E, F we have taken. Here the first circle shows that set A. In set A, these all the elements are there or not? A, B, C, D, E, F is there. Now go for the next set. What is the next set? B. What is that? C, D, E, F, G, H are there. But in this set, C, D, E, F. We have taken already. So the remaining elements are G and H. G and H. Now our concept is A minus B. That means which are the elements are repeated in both sets. We have to avoid those elements, and the balance elements of set A we have to write. That is A minus B. So we can write now A minus B is equal to which are the elements A. So you take only the remaining part of A where the A and B are overlapping. Just you have to avoid that portion. Means in the diagram here we have shaded only this portion. So in this portion, which are the elements are there, those elements only we have to take. So here which are the elements? A and B is there. So that is we can write set of A and B. So if you want here, you can shade this portion, but if you go for dark shading, no, sometimes you cannot identify the elements. This is A minus B Venn diagram. In previous class we learned A union B Venn diagram, and today's class we learn A intersection B and A minus B. This is second one. A minus B. So these are the Venn diagrams which are related to your syllabus. So with this class your sets concept is completed. So today I would like to send some homework problems to you. I will take the photo stills and I will send to your WhatsApp group. You have to go through the concept and complete all the problems. And any more doubts in the solution, you can reply to my WhatsApp. I will give the solutions to you. But today I would like to send the problems to you. You have to spend some time and complete this second chapter. Thank you very much.